Aries, hi, welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a reading for you guys. This is from 16 to 22 of August 2020. Yeah, guys, I'm so excited. I don't know why for you. Thank you so much, guys, for your liking, subscribing, and sharing. Thank you so much for your beautiful comments and your love on my channel. If you guys are new, please subscribe to my channel. It helps me a lot, and I'm wishing you so many blessings, happiness, abundance, prosperity, health, wealth, so many good vibes from me to you guys. So yeah, let's start your reading, Aries. So what is coming for the Aries from 16 to 22 of August 2020? For the Aries, what is coming for the Aries people? What is coming for the Aries? Okay, let's cut the deck for you guys. This is for the Aries people, okay? From 16 to 22 of August 2020. So yeah, Eight of Swords, Queen of Swords. So maybe some of you are dealing with an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Ten of Wands, Ace of Wands, Six of Swords. Wow. Okay, moving out of the stuckness. Beautiful. Four of Swords, Emperor. Here you are, Aries. Okay, Queen of Wands, Knight of Pentacles, and the Page of Wands. Okay, excuse me for my throat chakra. Okay, but yeah, see, Patience, which is bottom of the deck, which is the Temperance of the tarot. So I am feeling that, Aries, whoever you are dealing with, it's maybe you, it is maybe your person, whoever is this, they are coming out of this stuckness, Eight of Swords, and by doing this they are helping themselves for growing up. They are giving time to themselves, and they are continuously healing with the Four of Swords energy. See, Four of Swords is like thinking and contemplating about the mistakes of the past, like thinking about what was not right in the past. That's why the situation was not working out for me, like in my favor, and you are now getting that point, you are now getting that thing. That's why you are spending time alone to overcoming this kind of stuckness, which is great. Definitely you are taking time, you are sitting alone with yourself, and you're talking to yourself actually. See, Emperor with the Four of Swords, you are now overcoming your stuckness, your past behavior, or whatever was toxic for you. Because Eight of Swords, just the illusions of your mind, like the creation of your minds. So you are now overcoming that, and you are now trying to be in the present moment, trying to be in the present time, because you just don't want to be stuck in the past, and you just don't want to overthink about the future. You are trying to be in the present. That's great. With the Queen of Swords, Ten of Wands, and the Ace of Wands, I'm feeling that okay. Okay, by doing this healing, you are actually, some of your part, maybe your heart chakra is becoming a little bit cold, because you are not uh, you know so much warm about the person, because they are very passionate about you still. Ten of Wands with the Ace of Wands, but you are now putting this burden down, because you want your success now, not just the intimacy. You want something stable, something long term, something tangible, because Queen of Swords is always want truth, legit things, and connection. Yeah. Okay, with this Queen of Wands, Knight of Pentacles, and Page of Wands, I'm feeling that whoever you are dealing with, they're trying to come forward to you. Maybe an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, and Virgo, another Aries. They are planning some kind of maybe messages, some kind of communication, because you are now in your power. Yeah. Okay, let's see what is this Eight of Swords for the Aries. Eight of Swords. World. Okay. Five of Pentacles. Hanged Man. Yeah, I'm feeling that this is your person. At the same time, you are also healing. This is you are continuously working on your spirituality, on your spiritual growth, on healing yourself, loving yourself, taking care of yourself. That's why you're not communicating so much. See, High Priestess is a silent person. Like, they speak when it is much needed for them to speak. Okay. This person is overcoming that stuckness, and you had leveled up. Okay, I'm feeling that this person is now want to change their situation, because okay, without you they are feeling left out in the cold. Five of Pentacles energy, and they are continuously thinking and making some kind of plans how to overcome this kind of you know loneliness without you. So they are also trying to fulfill their selves. They're also trying to feel complete, so that they can come towards you. I'm feeling that both of you are projecting the energies on each other. But something beautiful new is coming for you, is happening for you. What is this Ace of Wands for the Aries? What is this Ace of Wands for the Aries? Wow. Eight of Wands. Wow. King of Swords. King and Queen of Swords. And the third one, please. Seven of Swords. Yeah. They also want communication. Okay. This is the vibe I'm getting, Aries. I'm feeling that this person thinks that you walked away and it was a betrayal for them. Like you had betrayed them because you left them. But you had to move on. Like, you need to move on for your betterment, for your growth. That was necessary for both of you. So that's why now communication needed to happen. And this King of Swords really wanna communicate with you. Definitely Gemini, Libra and Aquarius. And I'm feeling that the communication or the conversation become a little bit cold, and will become, fighting, maybe a little bit arguing, because they will blame you for that betrayal. Yeah, but you don't care, because you were right for yourself. You were doing right for yourself. Yeah, that's why you don't care. What is this Four of Swords here? What is the Four of Swords here? Okay, Moon. Wow, Sun, and the Queen of Pentacles. Wow. Yeah, definitely you're taking care of yourself, and whatever will be whatever was hidden before will come to light. Yeah, during this communication, because you are very right. You were doing the right thing for yourself, for your growth, and they were accusing you for that heartbreak. Maybe they have experienced without you, that left out in the cold. Five of Pentacles energy. So yeah, something needs to come out from their chest. Yeah. Okay, I'm feeling that the communication will be very truthful, and you will tell them the truth that yeah, the connection was not growing anywhere, the situation was not growing, so that's why I need to move on. Beautiful. I'm feeling this person is now really become cold towards everyone, because they're also not accepting any kind of other opportunities in love except you. That's why they want communication, because they want to resolve things out with you. They want to resolve the things with you. Okay, what is this Queen of Wands here for the Aries? This person really Six of Pentacles, want to balance things out with you. See, Page of Cups. Okay, I'm feeling that this person is also very stable, and you are now very more stable like them than them. You are more stable because you are the Emperor here, and they are the King of Pentacles. But I'm feeling that they were loyal with you. but maybe they were not giving you that commitment, that long term partnership at that time, because that was not the right time. So yeah, after this communication there was also become a little bit pause, but because they cannot resist your beauty, see, so that's why they will think and they will contemplate, yeah, you were right, the situation was not growing, and then they will again communicate with you that yeah, I want to balance things out with you, and they will first there will be an arguing conversation, okay, and they will blame you and something like that, but then they realize that no, Aries is right, okay. So after that maybe they will extend some kind of offer towards you. Wow. And see, I didn't see it before. King and Queen of Pentacles. So both of you are a great match. Hmm. Both of you are looking into the future. Wow. See? It's a great match. Like, King, I hope you can see the cards. Yeah. So yeah, both of you are going to be life partners. I'm saying like this. What is this Knight of Pentacles here? For the Aries. Wow. Eight of Pentacles, strength, and the Page of Pentacles. Okay. So many pages here. Yeah, definitely I'm feeling that after this conversation things are going to start from scratch, because we have pages here. It will there will be a new fresh energy between you and them, and yeah, things, this is Leo time. Definitely this is Leo time, because we have Sun and the Star here, strength here, which is definitely Leo time. Things are coming to light. Communication will resolve the things between you and them, and then starting from the scratch. So yeah, Aries, this is I have for you. I hope this will resonate with you, and yeah, after some time things will quick, like speed up between you and them. So yeah, this is a app for you. I hope this will resonate with you. If it is, you can give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Also, you can share it with your friends and family if you find it helpful, and you can give me your suggestions in the comment section down below. So yeah guys, bye.